What does Airtel's quarterly performance indicate? Well, it underlines a structural change in the telecom industry, where people are consuming more data despite the waning of the pandemic. Airtel has been continuously improving its financial performance since the outbreak of the pandemic and has maintained the trend in Q2 as it saw strength in its India and Africa operations. An increase in the proportion of high-value customers, coupled with tariff hikes, helped the company post robust growth in revenues and operating margin. Both new and existing customers contributed to Airtel's Q2 revenue growth, and it was seen across the Indian and African markets. Now, average revenue per user jumped to 190 rupees, led by price hikes and higher contribution from the 4G customer base. The Africa business too grew at nearly 22%, driven by a near 10% growth in the subscriber base. Overall, EBITDA margin expansion was led by a significant operating leverage that the company enjoys. On the subscriber front, Airtel continues to gain strength from the weak competitive position of rival Vodafone India. Now, the telco has managed to add 4.3 million subscribers in a 12-month period. It continues to garner a strong share of the net 4G additions in the market. The 4G data customer base increased 9.2% YOY to 210 million compared with the previous year. Now, we believe that with an expanding network coverage, the company will continue to attract new customers. In fact, Airtel set up over 31,000 more towers in the last 12 months. The combination of higher data use and rising share of 4G subscribers will continue to drive ARPU growth in the medium to long term. Long-term trends such as increasing data consumption as well as price increases in line with inflation will continue to boost the top line. The secular trend in the internet penetration is almost certain to persist, and Airtel, with its huge subscriber base, appears to be in a prime position to profit from it. Post the price war led by Reliance Jio's price-centric strategy for customer acquisition, there has been a significant pickup in tariffs. All companies in the space have started hiking tariffs. The impact was clearly visible in Airtel's Q2 numbers as well. We believe that price hikes are expected to help Airtel achieve the long-term target of a blended ARPU of more than 250 rupees. With the conclusion of the 5G auction, Airtel has the widest mobile broadband footprint across the country, making it well positioned to usher in the 5G revolution in India. It has acquired 19,867.8 MHz of spectrum for 43,040 crore rupees. With the wide spectrum, the company will be able to offer the best-in-class 5G experience at the lowest cost of ownership with the most power-efficient solution. The sum of the parts valuation indicates a nearly 16% upside on the current market price. Now, we advise investors to accumulate the stock with a long-term view.